एक बार जाते हैं, because even though I say 20 times all the things, but still again and again, even those who attended earlier classes also, या कोई भी जन को मैंने बोला कि भाई पहले SCS का फर्स्ट क्लास कर लो, कोई करता नहीं है, बिकॉज सबको 2 मिनट में सक्सेस चाहिए. बात ये. सो अगेन आई एम डिस्कसिंग व्हाट इज अ केस स्टडी एग्जाम फॉर सीमा, how the questions are asked, how many questions they will give, what is the exam structure, what is the pre-seen material, when the exam will be there, passing criteria kya hai, and all these things, which will take around 30 to 40 minutes. And 5 minutes I will take on ACC also. Presently, what is the ACCA SBL structure of exam? दोनों की बात कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद हम लोग pre-seen discussion करना चालू करेंगे. Before pre-seen discussion, whatever anybody will have doubts, because I am presently not asking, do you have any doubts? You need to wait. जब मैं पूछूंगा आपको जो पूछना है आप पूछेंगे, and then we will start discussing the pre-seen material. So first of all, in SEMA, there are 2 types of students. One is FLP students, Atharva and Devasri, and one are normal accelerated students. Those FLP students, E3, P3, F3 assignment need to be complete. For accelerated student, no assignment. I don't know exact date of fulfilling the assignments, but generally it is around 11th or 12th of April for May exam. तो अगर आपका assignment complete नहीं हुआ है, exam you cannot give in May. I am talking about SEMA FLP student, not accelerated. So आप assignment complete कर लीजिए, उसमें कुछ पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. You select one question A, B, C, D option, suppose B, it is wrong. Again do the same question, select C. So there is no study required. Complete your assignment so that the possibility of giving exam arises. सभी लोग strategic case study exam देंगे. Exam happens 4 times in a year: February, May, August, and November. SEMA exams. Since 2020, the pre-seen material for 2 terms are same. For May and August, pre-seen material same. For November and February, pre-seen material same. So in SEMA, I am teaching management case study, strategic case study live for May and November. For August and February, I am not teaching live management case study, strategic case study. And operational case study, I am teaching live for February and August. Reason is only simple. Managing 1 case study is already a challenge. So managing 3 case study creates a huge challenge. And when I am not able to give output in the class, I don't like. So for that reason, operational case study I am not teaching for me. Similarly, management and strategic case study I am teaching for May and then for November. Now when I am not teaching for August, no problem. The same material, the same class, the same mock paper, same everything will be relevant for August. A student will have these recordings. They can see, they can prepare. But question is that if you don't give exam in May, in August, the confidence level will be at least 80% lower. Because presently the classes are running. The rhythm is there. I am forcing you. I am motivating you. So that rhythm is different. Anybody in the past not given the exam in May, gave the exam in August, either they receive failure or maybe they received less marks and they are saying in the class, सर मैंने आपकी बात नहीं मानी, मेरे को आपकी बात माननी चाहिए थी. तो मान लीजिए अभी पहले ही कि अगस्त में एग्जाम नहीं देना है, अभी मई में एग्जाम देना है. फॉर ACCA जून में एग्जाम देना है. नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ डिफरिंग द एग्जाम, बट देयर विल नॉट बी एनी क्लासेस फॉर अगस्त फॉर सीमा केस स्टडी, फॉर स्ट्रैटेजिक केस स्टडी. For May and August, same pre-seen. November, February, same pre-seen. If you are taking classes for May 23, you all are taking, then for May, I am taking live class. For August, there will not be any live classes. But for August, I will share extra mocks. That mocks also I will receive from Kaplan and SEMA Institute. That I will share. They will share extra mocks, which I will share with all of you. But there will not be any classes in August for strategic or management case study. For November, separate classes will be there based on the new pre-seen material. When it will be coming? For November के लिए, like for May, it is released on 3rd of April. Similarly for May, for November, it will be released in October first week. Same story. So If you want to give exam in November, no pre-scene is there. It will be released the same way the way it is released. ये टाइम इनफ है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है एग्जाम देकर पास होने के लिए. अगर कोई जन एग्जाम, मान लीजिए, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट FLP स्टूडेंट्स बिकॉज देयर स्टोरी इज डिफरेंट. दोज हु आर एक्सेलरेटेड स्टूडेंट्स, they have to give exam in May and August. Because of any reason, if they are not giving exam, November they can attend classes, they will be charged 50% fees of expenditure. Normal fees they will not be charged, they will be charged 50%. But from FLP student, no. Because FLP student has already booked for entire life. There is no tension. But those who are accelerated students, their support will be there for May and August. And anyhow they need to give exam because everybody is passing. Why you will be lagging behind? That means definitely some problems are genuine or maybe some ingenuine problems and you have not focused. So some problem will be there. And at the same time, you need to pay exam fees to the institute again. If you book the exam, didn't give the exam, if you book the exam, couldn't qualify, institute will charge exam fees fully again. Even from FLP student also. For FLP student, they have paid the exam fees once. That is covered in their fees. If they are not giving exam absent or they are not clearing the exam, then they need to give the exam fees again to the institute. Every exam has this notion. For May, August, the pre-scene material released on 3rd, around 40-45 days before exam. Normally students all over the world, not only in India, properly start study once the pre-scene is there. कोई पहले पढ़ता नहीं है. कोई एक्सेप्शनल है, 100 में एक जन, बात अलग है. But otherwise study starts after the pre-scene comes in the market. This pre-scene material is about an industry, like in our case it is logistics industry. In that industry there is a hypothetical company. In our case it is Dice Truck. That company is a 3PL, three-party logistics company, management company. That company's business model, their financials, their board of directors, their corporate governance, their competitors, their business model, all the details are given. Student need to thorough with the pre-scene. You need to thorough. For ACC also from September, like this, there will be a pre-scene. You need to thorough with the pre-scene because based on the pre-scene, questions will be asked in the exam. They need to read properly the pre-scene at least 3 times. I generally presume that when the pre-scene released on 3rd April, by now students should have read 1 time. आप बोलेंगे नहीं रीडिंग किया, कोई बात नहीं, आज से सुधर जाना. Be proper from now. You don't have to take tension whether I can pass or not. Just follow whatever we are saying, whatever we are discussing, just follow. When you read the pre-scene material first time, don't give so much time. Just an essay reading. Try to read in 1.5 hour, 2 hour, entire 26, 27 pages. When you read first time, you don't like. There are some technical paragraphs, something that which you are not getting. Now when you read second time, you read the pre-scene material at least 4 to 5 hours. Take some pause. Do some research. If some research I have done, use that. If not done, you can do your research. यानी कि next time you want to cover up those areas which you have not understood while first time reading. ठीक है? Third time, again slow reading. Again paragraph by paragraph you will read so that you get the concept what is there in the pre-scene. So that in the exam hall, when you will be writing your answers, you don't need to open pre-scene again and again. Because in exam time pressure is very high. Every student, whether you are going to pass, score, rank or whatever, you have to read the pre-scene material 3 times. The pre-scene material will be available in the exam during 3 hours on a tab. You click that is pre-scene tab. Click, you will get the pre-scene material. So it is available in the exam, you can read. But a student cannot pass the exam if they need to read the pre-scene in the exam hall. Around 7 to 10 minutes we use in reading the unseen planning answer. When you will be in the exam hall, and suppose my exam starts at 3 o'clock. This is 2:50, 3 o'clock. So 3 o'clock, on the software, first question thrown on me. That first question has some write-up. Some mail given by one of the direct to another person, some write-up. Some discussion in the board meeting, some situation, they will write. Based on that, they will ask some questions. Maybe along with the write-up, there will be some attachment. Normally in strategic case study, always attachments are there in every question. That means the write-up, the requirement, the attachment is around approximately 2 pages. 2 pages in a font size 11. So that is actually a big amount which you need to read. Normally if you are champion in reading, then also you cannot complete the reading before 5 to 6 minutes. 5 to 6 minutes will be going in reading the stuff. And after reading, you can't start writing. I cannot write. How can you write? Not possible. Whatever the requirements are there, maybe 2 or 3, you need to digest what the requirements are saying. You need to plan your answer, what you will write, and then you will start writing. So as a thumb rule, I can say that around 10 minutes gone in this. One entire unseen based on that requirements 2 or 3, all need to be completed in 60 minutes. The time in the exam to write everything within 60 minutes. Out of that 10 minutes already gone approximately. So you are left with 50 minutes. In 50 minutes there are 2 questions or 3 questions, all you need to answer. So how you will write your answers? We say that 45 to 50 minutes left to type. Writing means typing. Average speed of typing is recommended 15 to 20 words per minute. Who has recommended? Institute, CIMA ICCA, not me. I have copied from there. 15 to 20 words per minute. If 11 font size, you will type 15 to 20 words per minute. It will be coming around 1.5 line. That means in 50 minutes, how much you can type? 75 lines. The length of the answer should be around 75 lines. All the requirements, if there are 2 requirement AB, total 75 line for AB. If there are 3 requirement ABC, total 75 minutes for ABC together, not each 75. Total time is that only. How much time you will allocate to A and B? In the bracket it will be written percentage. Suppose for A 50%, B 50%. Equal time, equal write-up. Suppose A 30%, B 70%. So out of the total length and time, you will give 30% to A, 70% to B accordingly. The way the marking, the way you will perform, in the same way you need to perform. When you are writing and planning, I am saying about me, I cannot plan exact 75 lines before start writing. It's possible nahi. I am the person who will plan something. Okay, I will start like this. And once I will start typing, I will get feeling further. And I will build up my answer. Somebody can say that maybe I can plan by writing some bullet headings. Bhai, I will be writing these 5 points. So you can put 5 points first. You will explain them later. That's your call. How you will plan your answer. I am a person who will start writing initially and automatically I will get the feeling. What I need to write further. Somebody are there who fix that they will be writing these 5-6 points. They write those 5-6 points and then they start writing. That's your planning. But whether me or you, we need to write around 75 lines. Quantity will not give you marks, quality. But then if you are writing 50-line answer, if the quantity is not there, quality will never come. Because these questions are discussion, elaboration and all that. So if the length is not there, guarantee that the answer is very bad. You can have 70 lines write up, maybe 65, chalega. If the quality is there, dodega. But if you are writing 60, 55, 50 lines, nahi chalega. That means it's sure that the quantity is very less, so it is not giving quality. And grammar, English, don't focus. Just that whatever you are writing, other person should be able to understand what do you want to communicate. Answer is writing style, paragraph structure. Normally, suppose we have done BCom, we have done some bachelor's or any course or maybe any other course. हम लोग का आदत है, मेरा भी आदत था in CA. There is a question. I am writing 30 points. First point, 1 line. Second point, 2nd line. Third point, 3rd line. This type of write-up, they are not going to give any marks. One-liner, one word, they don't like. You need to explain your thought process in a paragraph. The paragraph length should not be greater than 5 to 6 lines. Maybe maximum 7. I am saying in the first class, then also a student will submit the answer with a 50-line paragraph. That's not allowed, man. You can see their answers on the institute website, past term papers. They are writing small paragraphs. In a question, they are taking 7, 8, 9 paragraphs. Every paragraph is 5 lines, 6 lines, 7 lines. And the English language is very simple. It's not a test of your literature language. It's a test of your writing the solution for a question. So that you need to write in small. Every paragraph should have a different story, different relevant things. Then in that case, your answer will be given good marks. That is said by the examiner in ACCA, CIMA both. Not that it is only discussed for CIMA. Pre-scene उनमें भी आने वाला और नहीं भी है pre-scene तो भी same कहानी है. So we say that in 50 minutes we will be writing, we can say, what is this I am saying? This is, sorry. In 50 minutes, we will be writing 50 into 15, 20. That is around 800 to 1000 words. 800 to 1000 words will be coming around 65 to 70 lines. इतना लेंथ ऑफ आंसर होना चाहिए. ये हम लोग पहली क्लास में बात कर रहे हैं. फिर आप तीसरी क्लास में बोलेंगे कितना लिखना है. और ये आपको 50 मिनट्स के अंदर कवर करना है. 50 मिनट में हो जाना चाहिए. बिकॉज जब मैं आपको रेगुलरली कोर एरिया ABCDE क्वेश्चंस दूंगा और आप लिखोगे आंसर, आपको अपने पर्सनली जेन्युइन रहना है. आप 50 जगह से रिसर्च करिए, मना नहीं कर रहा हूं. बट वेन यू आर राइटिंग, राइट इन योर ओन वर्ड्स विद इन 50 मिनट्स पुलिस. हर बार एक सोचिए कि एग्जाम चल रहा है. जब आप बार बार अपने आप को प्रेशराइज करेंगे तो बार बार प्रेशराइज करने से वो कुंदन निकल के आएगा जिसको कोई टेंशन नहीं होगा एग्जाम में पास होने में. और ये धीरे धीरे ही होगा, ये कोई एक दिन में नहीं होने वाला है. प्रीसीन मटेरियल पढ़ेंगे, इंडस्ट्री को डाइजेस्ट करेंगे, अलग अलग चीजों को डिस्कस करेंगे, तो धीरे धीरे आएगा ना. विच विल टेक 1 month. यू कांट अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग इन 1 day. बेस्ड ऑन द प्रीसीन वी विल बी डूइंग 10 क्वेश्चन पेपर्स. टोटल 50 क्वेश्चंस. 50 से ज्यादा ही रहेगा, मैंने 50 बोल लिया. विच विल कवर एटलीस्ट 80% ऑफ योर टेक्निकल एरियाज E3, P3, F3. आप टेंशन मत लीजिए. इन एग्जाम, based on the pre-scene material, they will be preparing 5 to 6 question paper, maybe 7 also. The pre-scene material is same, Dice Truck, a logistic company, 3PL logistics. But question paper exam में जो unseen बनाया जाएगा वो 5 या 6 या 7 categories होएगा. That they are saying variant 1, variant 2, variant 3, variant 4. Even in ACC exam also they are making many variants, sir. Surojit. It's not that only one variant. Because the exams are from home also. They are making different paper for SBR, SBL and all that. How many variants? That they have not said. CIMA is saying that at least 5, maybe 6, maybe 7. Some variants, the questions are easy. Some variants, the questions are difficult. Suppose I am giving exam, I am getting a difficult variant. You are giving exam, you are getting an easy variant. That's partiality, not allowed. They are saying don't take tension. We will not do any partiality. If the variant is easy, then you need to score high marks to pass the exam. And if the variant is difficult, then you need to score less to pass the exam. Less marks to pass the exam. Normally they are saying 150 marks paper, 80 marks pass. But if it is an easy variant, my marks will be multiplied by 90%, 85%, 95. I don't know which variant is easy, what weightage given. If it is a difficult variant, my marks will be multiplied by 105, 110%. So whatever my actual score multiplied by the weight, that weighted average score should be 80 out of 150. Sometimes some students are getting 79. A student will say that, sir, who is the examiner? Why he has not given me 80? You need to understand, examiner has not given you 79. If it is an easy variant, examiner has given you 84, 85. But by multiplying with the weight, it is coming to 79 by system. In a difficult variant, suppose you are scoring 75. 75 multiplied by 110%. So it will become 82.5. You are pass. If it is an easy variant, you scored 85. 85 multiplied by 90%. So 85 into 90%, less than 80. Student fail. It is multiply only. But what will be the weight for each variant? Which one is difficult? Which one is easy? How much weight given? Nobody knows. Even in the past term exam also SEMA has not disclosed that. They have just said that we are doing this, but they have not disclosed. Okay? So it is multiplied. So weighted average score should be 80. Somebody is getting 79, that is bad luck, but examiner has not given you 79. The examiner is giving you exact actual marking, but that is multiplied by the weight, by the system, software. Even examiner don't know which variant is this, that and all that. What is the weight? So examiner are saying that, institute is saying that your weighted score should be 80 out of 100 to pass the exam. Then comes, I will say that if you accept my advice, आपको कोई E3, P3, F3 मटेरियल पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको जो नवंबर की क्लासेस दी गई हैं, जो मटेरियल दिया गया है, जो शेयर किया जाएगा, वो सब इनफ है. आपको अलग से E3, P3 बढ़ के अपना टाइम वेस्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं. अनलेस एंड अनटिल सम टाइम यू आर फेसिंग प्रॉब्लम, आपको लग रहा है कहीं कुछ मिल रहा नहीं, आप पढ़ेंगे कोई क्वेश्चन का, दैट्स अदर थिंग. तो मैंने अपना यूट्यूब चैनल का लिंक दे दिया है कि आप कोई भी आंसर लिखने के टाइम पे यूट्यूब पे जाके, गूगल में जाके वहां रिसर्च करेंगे. आप अपना E3, P3 भी देख सकते हैं, मैं नहीं मना कर रहा, बट बहुत ज्यादा उसमें से पढ़ के कोई फायदा नहीं है. रिकॉर्डिंग ऑफ ऑल क्लासेस यू विल गेट ऑन नेक्स्ट डे. नेक्स्ट डे मतलब सैटरडे की क्लास ऑन मंडे, नॉट ऑन संडे, बिकॉज अभी जब क्लास खत्म होगी सारे लोग ऑफिस से जा चुके होंगे. 4:30 ईच सैटरडे आवर ऑफिस टाइम. आई विल फिनिश ऑफ द क्लास बाई 5:30, 6 o'clock. तो मैं अगर रेडी भी करूंगा वो लोग आपको दे नहीं पाएंगे. तो आप सैटरडे संडे शांति से बैठे रहेंगे, कोई बात नहीं है. रिकॉर्डिंग आपको मंडे सुबह 11, 11:30 बजे मिल जाएगा. आज की क्लास का रिकॉर्डिंग मिल जाएगा बिकॉज आई विल अपलोड इन यूट्यूब, दैट्स ओके. बट द सब्सिक्वेंट क्लासेस रिकॉर्डिंग यू विल गेट ऑन मंडे, एंड थर्सडे क्लास रिकॉर्डिंग यू विल गेट ऑन वेडनेसडे बाय 2 o'clock. आपको रिकॉर्डिंग के लिए कोई रिक्वेस्ट नहीं करना है. Whether you are attending live or not, you will get recordings. Recordings will be there in the software. With the software, you can see. If you are not finding the recording, any technical issue, so many times like thumbs up, this is हाथ जोड़कर आप चुपचाप से मेल डालेंगे, कॉल मत करिए. फिर आप बोलेंगे सर मैंने कॉल किया, व्हाट्सएप मैसेज किया, सर उन्होंने रिप्लाई नहीं दिया. सर बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट है सर, किसी का तो भूल सकता है ना. तो आप अगर मेल करेंगे प्रॉब्लम्स का रिजोल्यूशन जरूर आएगा, क्योंकि मेल करने से मेरे को भी पता रहेगा, लेकिन किसी को मैसेज फैसेज नहीं करना है. नाउ एग्जाम स्ट्रक्चर. द केस स्टडी एग्जाम इज एन अटेम्प्ट टू स्टिमुलेट. दिस इज टेकन कॉपी पेस्टेड फ्रॉम सीमा वेबसाइट, नॉट माई लैंग्वेज. द केस स्टडी एग्जाम इज एन अटेम्प्ट टू सिमुलेट workplace problem solving and allows examiner to move one step closer to the assessment of competency that is not possible with the objective type question. Objective type question से technical knowledge can be tested, but practical knowledge cannot be tested according to me also, not only without the practical type of question asked. आपने वैल्यूएशन पढ़ लिया कि भाई एसेट बेस्ड वैल्यूएशन ये मेथड होता है, और आप जिंदगी में वैल्यूएशन कैसे होना चाहिए, कोई कंपनी का मर्जर्स एक्विजिशन हो रहा है, टेक ओवर हो रहा है, एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू एडवाइज हाउ द वैल्यूएशन कैन बी डन, शुड बी डन. क्या फायदा है टेक्निकल पढ़ने का? व्हाट इज द एडवांटेज ऑफ एनी टेक्निकल स्टडी? व्हेन वी आर वर्किंग, मे बी यू आर द हाईली एजुकेटेड टेक्निकल पर्सन, आपका काम करने में नॉट मोर देन 10% वॉट एवर यू स्टडी फ्रॉम द बुक्स आर यूज्ड. सीमा इज सेइंग दैट वी विल टेक योर एग्जाम लाइक दैट. वी विल बी टेकिंग योर एग्जाम प्योर प्रैक्टिकलिटी, कि आप टेक्निकल नॉलेज रखते हो बट हम आपका एग्जाम प्रैक्टिकल बेसिस ले रहे हैं. द केस स्टडी इज असेस्ड बाय वे ऑफ 3 hour कंप्यूटर बेस्ड एग्जाम. You cannot take the examination until you have passed 3 subjects or in FLP solve the assignments. The exam comprises a series of requirements which aim to integrate different knowledge, different areas of the syllabus. The exam is based on a pre-seen material, and based on the pre-seen material there will be additional write-up in the exam which is unseen. In the additional write-up there will be a trigger. Trigger means situation. कोई बोर्ड मेंबर के बारे में डिस्कशन हो रहा है, कोई प्रपोजल आया, कुछ है, कोई अनेक्शर है, और उसके बाद टास्क. Those tasks in every question 2 or 3, A, B, ABC, sometime A, B, C, D also. Tips by the examiner, written by examiner, not written by me. Read the pre-seen very carefully. We will be doing continuously. You also will be doing. Come into the exam understanding the industry. इंडस्ट्री रिलेटेड मैंने बाइबल आप लोग को पहले ही दे दिया, बहुत ज्यादा मैं और इंडस्ट्री रिलेटेड दूंगा नहीं, because that Bible which is given by me to all of you, that will be used in entire study of 1.5 month which we are going to do. आपको सब कुछ वहां से मिलेगा जब आप आंसर लिखोगे. फिर भी यू कैन डू सम रिसर्च, आई एम नॉट क्वेश्चनिंग, बट लिमिटेड रिसर्च. मैंने कोई रिसर्च 500 दिन नहीं किया है. जस्ट 4-5 घंटे बैठे, इधर गया उधर गया, देखा बेखा लिखा, फिर उसको सॉर्ट किया, बनाया, उड़ा दिया. मैंने थोड़ी ना वो रिसर्च, बहुत कुछ और भी लिखा था, हटा दिया. 5-6 घंटे रिसर्च करके मैंने आपको कुछ शेयर किया. आप उससे ज्यादा रिसर्च नहीं करोगे. इंडस्ट्री का नॉलेज होना चाहिए, बट रिसर्च एक लिमिट तक. मैनेज टाइम एंड मेक श्योर दे डू नॉट रन आउट ऑफ टाइम ऑन sections they know well. Suppose in a question there is ABC 3 requirement and Amit knows A requirement very well. B और C अमित को आता नहीं है, तो अमित पूरा का पूरा टाइम A में दे दिए, B और C लिखे ही नहीं, या B और C 2 मिनट लिखे, पास एग्जाम में नहीं होंगे. बिकॉज A का रिक्वायरमेंट का मार्क्स 30-40% ही है, तो बैलेंस 60-70% मार्क्स का क्या होएगा? फॉर दैट वी हैव नॉट रिटन एनीथिंग. सो इवन यू नो समथिंग वेरी वेल, टाइम कंट्रोल, हैव पेशेंस, अंडरस्टैंड, इसका इतना ही नंबर है, मेरे को उतनी देर ही लिखना है. दैट मिस्टेक डन बाय सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स. आंसर व्हाट इज आस्क्ड, स्टूडेंट का यह आदत है. एवरी, इफ यू रेफर द एग्जामिनर फीडबैक, the student are getting less marks. What is asked in the question they are not writing. The question is asking north, we are writing south. Maybe that is very fantastic, but since the question is asking north, for your fantastic write-up, marks will be let do. No. Answer which are not applied to the case will not score high marks. अगर आप क्वेश्चन का रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं लिख रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंगली राइटअप नहीं लिख रहे हैं, नंबर नहीं मिलेंगे. अ गुड लेवल ऑफ नॉलेज, a good level of knowledge of strategic syllabi is advisable. good level हम अपने बिल्टअप करेंगे, आप टेंशन मत लीजिए. आप एक महीना वही करने वाले, E3, P3, F3, डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट नॉलेज हम कवर करने वाले. Candidates must be able to apply their knowledge to a variety of situations and they have a depth in the knowledge of that subject matter. जो सिचुएशंस है कोई पहले से नहीं बना सकता. इन एग्जाम सिचुएशन विल बी डिफरेंट, बट व्हेन वी क्रिएट सो मेनी सिचुएशंस इन द क्लास एंड देन यू फोर्स योरसेल्फ टू राइट दोज आंसर्स फॉर द सिचुएशन, ऑटोमेटिकली इन एग्जाम यू विल बी एबल टू परफॉर्म. द सीमा केस स्टडी ब्लूप्रिंट इज अ 5 कोर एक्टिविटीज, कोर एरिया ABCDE, विच एक्सप्लेन आई कैन, आई विल, आई एम, ऐसा है. However, rather than focusing on the distinction between A, B, C, D, E, the most important skill on the day of exam is to be able to answer the task set with the sufficient application. आप एग्जाम में बैठेंगे, ये कोर एरिया A है, नहीं करना है. Whether it is core area A or B or C or D, not required. Just focus what they are asking and answer based on the requirement. The main reason candidates fail is that their answers are too generic and with little application. Broadly speaking, you will need to ensure you have properly prepared for the pre-scene in advance with the subject related area, prepare the mock papers, unseen, see different scenarios, then only you can pass. We will be doing, I will say till 4th May. We are discussing the different core areas. Till 4th May, practice of unseen have to be exercised for each task. पहले 4th May तक हम लोग डिस्कस कर ले, उसके बाद हम फ्रॉम 4th May से फ्रॉम 4th May till 15th of May हम मॉक पेपर्स करेंगे. तब हम मॉक पेपर्स करेंगे जिससे हमें फीलिंग अच्छी आएगी. पहले टेक्निकल नॉलेज को कवर करेंगे and then the study plan which I already discussed in the beginning. This is, you can say, a short write-up. What is a CIMA exam, how they are giving question. They will give in strategic case study 3 questions. One question 60 minutes, second question 60 minutes, third question 60 minutes. One question means one trigger. Based on that, some annexure, some schedule, and then 1 or 2 requirements, A, B, A, B, C. All need to be done in 60 minutes. 160 minutes over, answer submitted, whatever you have written. Now you are going into next 60 minutes. next 60 minutes. So in the next 60 minutes, again one trigger, again ABC requirement, again some schedule, again you need to write within 60 minutes. So every 60 minutes, 3 questions. In management case study, there was 4. In operational level also 4, but now only 3. So more broader write-up, more detailed explanation. Because a strategic person always correlate the problem with the whole world. Where maybe the problem in one area, but how this problem affect all other areas of the business. वो strategic person का काम है. Holistic view में सोचना, long term सोचना. जबकि मैनेजमेंट या ऑपरेशनल लेवल में हम केवल उसके बारे में सोचते हैं, यहां हमें ब्रॉडर सोचना है. सो राइट अप आर मोर डिटेल्ड, एक्सप्लेनेशंस आर मोर डिटेल्ड. और कोई भी क्वेश्चन का आंसर कोई किताब में नहीं लिखा हुआ है. नॉट अ सिंगल क्वेश्चन आंसर एनीवेयर यू कैन नॉट फाइंड. फॉर एनी क्वेश्चन देयर इज नो फिक्स्ड आंसर. 10 student can write 10 different type of things and all are correct. No fixed answer for case study exam. Just that the logic, the substance, the feature, that what they are asking. I am giving my logic for writing the answer that is required. So ऐसा नहीं है कि मॉडल आंसर में जो लिखा है वही आंसर है. आपका अलग व्यू हो सकता है एंड दैट व्यू इज लॉजिकल, एक्सेप्टेबल, बिकॉज यहां 2 और 2 4 कोई कैलकुलेशन नहीं है. सीमा में तो कैलकुलेटर यूज ही नहीं होएगा. एसीसीए में कैलकुलेटर पूरे 4 घंटे में यूज हो सकता है 10 मिनट, मैक्सिमम 10 मिनट्स. उससे ज्यादा देर कैलकुलेटर यूज होता ही नहीं है. It's a pure theory based exam, but the theory is practical oriented theory, no technicality. You need to write for the problems what can be the best solution, for the opportunity whether the organizations would exercise or not. That depends upon a situation which will be given in the exam, and based on the situation we need to write the answer. If I will say just for 5 minutes, suppose acccaglobal.com. acccaglobal.com students, under student study support resources. Under study support resources, ACCA qualification. Under that, strategic business leader case study paper. Under that, strategic business leader case study paper, past exams and practice questions. Past exams and practice questions. Login with your ACCA registered ID and password. You will be using your ACCA ID and password. I am using any student ID and password. When you go there, then you will be able to find on the right hand side. This is taking to a different website. In the right hand side, you will go in SBL paper, strategic business leader paper, official resources. Under official resources, suppose past exam library. Past exam library SBL December 2020. This paper is already assigned. So in the left hand side, SBL past exam library December 2020 paper. It is talking that do you want to start the paper? I am saying yes. Now since presently in ACCA there is no pre-scene, so they are giving the pre-scene type thing in the exam only. This is 7 article. This is about a separate company, separate industry, their business, this, that. The way in SEMA it is pre-scene, it is unseen fully. But it is not in SEMA, it is around 27-28 page. This is around 10 to 15 pages. And on the screen it is even less, because 7 means maybe in 1 or 2 write-up, maybe double pages, otherwise one page. So the entire write-up is around 10 pages. The student has to read first of all the scenario. And then there are requirement 1, task 1, it is taking, yes, the task 1. This you can say that in SEMA unseen. You will be getting the task in the exam only based on further write-up. So there are 4 tasks. Those tasks need to be answered here. If the task is theory, you will be typing here. If the task is, I will say, calculation involved, you will be doing some calculation in the Excel. If the task is PowerPoint presentation, then you will be doing PowerPoint slides presentation. In ACCA, PowerPoint slides they are giving in SEMA, PowerPoint slides based question they are not asking, because they are not giving in the SEMA software PowerPoint slides structure, pamphlet I can say, that they are not giving. So any type of question will be there, and you need to proceed here on the screen. From after June exam, the same pre-scene based exam will be there in ACCA, not 4 hour, 3 hour, because pre-scene will be given in advance, and the 3 hour exam the same story. What all nitty-gritties will be there relating to that exam, we need to wait for some time. Let the June exam over, the institute will start communicating further all the nitty-gritties. But for the time being, this is a 4 hour exam. That is, you can say the exam structure, the pass marks. In ACCA, it is 100 marks exam, 50 is the pass marks. In SEMA, it is 150 exam, and pass marks is 80. 80 is weighted average score. In ACCA, I don't know, they are not saying there is weighted average. Maybe it's weighted average or not inside, but it's out of 100, you need to score 50. In ACCA, the pass percentage is around 50%. In SEMA also, the pass percentage is around 50%. Sometime 4-5% less, more and all that. So it's around 50%. Whoever is giving exam, half of the students are passing the exam in both the exams. When it is 50%, that means it's not difficult to pass. Because if the pass percentage would have been 20-30%, then it's difficult to pass. But since it is 50%, it's manageable. It's pass. In SEMA, in management level, pass percentage is 20-30%. Why? The reason is simple. 20 students, 4 are writing the answer. In strategic case study, again 20-30 students. But I will find at least 10-12 are writing the answers. You can see triple. So ACCA, SBL students, strategic business students in SEMA, passing the exam because of their commitment. More and more students are committed to study, they pass the exam. But in management level, every term, this is the problem. Whereas strategic and management level student both are working. Both are working. All are working students. But management level वाला लिखता नहीं है यार. पढ़ता नहीं है. क्यों नहीं मालूम नहीं है. I can't force how much time I will say. So for that reason, in management level, the pass percentage is less. In our case, my pass percentage in Saraf Academy, management level around 50%. Those who will give exam, I am counting out of those who are giving exam, 50% pass. In strategic level, around 70-80%. So we are always giving better results than whatever the institute average pass percentage. Not 100%. I always want that. Why not my result will become 100%? हो नहीं पाता. 70-80% in strategic case study, management case study around 50%. That happens. Now, before proceeding further, anybody has anything to ask, any question, any doubt? Amit ji, Sudeep, Ami, Arvind, Assis, Atharva, anybody? Pre-seen means pre-seen. Before the exam, you can see. Unseen means before the exam, you can't see. You will be able to see in the exam all only. So this pre-seen material is given to us around 40-45 days before exam. And in the exam, there will be unseen, which you will be getting there on the basis of that questions, and then you will write the answer. Not only questions, it will be scenario. Sudeep, as I said, that you do the classes you have not done, you will say you have done. यही तो प्रॉब्लम है सर. और क्वेश्चन ये कि आप सोचेंगे कि सर मैं अब एग्जाम नहीं दूंगा. सर नहीं पढ़ना है. Whatever your commitments, family and all that are there, if you committed that I will study properly, you can easily pass. What, sir? I'm showing, sir. Sorry. SEMA case study exam pattern. SEMA case study. If a student will give exam in August, the chance of passing will be less. If a student will give exam in May, the chance of passing will be high. That I am saying in the first class only. Okay? You can have some experience with others. मान लीजिए मैं किससे एक्सपीरियंस आपको दिलवाऊं. सोमन, आर यू देयर? सोमन दा. Yes, sir. So tell him your experience.
It is definitely doing the first chance is always better.
Maybe because you understand, even in August also the problems will be there in life. It's not that at August you can take leave for 2 months and then you can study. That will never come. That problem will be there with us. And it's not requiring a 5-6 hour study. तो अगर स्टूडेंट एग्जाम साथ साथ देगा तो फीलिंग अलग आएगी भाई. और एग्जाम कहीं जाना नहीं है, घर पे बैठकर देना है. क्या इश्यू है? आई एम शोइंग यू पास्ट टर्म पेपर्स. 1 सेकेंड. सीमा, where is the paper gone? 1 second here. Seema case study past term paper. Say 2020 exam. Say strategic case study. The strategic case study variant 1. This is answer, sorry. And the questions. Where is the question? Questions. This is AA. What I opened? 1 second. So variant 1 answers, variant 2, 3, variant 1 questions. When Sudeep, we will be in the exam hall, then this is the first page in your software where your name will be written. Sudeep, Patra, whatever. Time 3 hours, then you go to the next slide. In the next slide, it is showing there are 3 questions, 60 minutes each. In the first question, there are 2 requirements. In the second question, 2 requirements. In the third question, 2 requirements. This is just a sample. What will be there in the exam hall? Now the first question. From here, 60 minutes starts. 59.58, 57, 56. On the top, it will start. This is giving you that one of the director is giving you some mail. There is some 2 requirements. And then based on these requirements, there is some newspaper clips, some write-up, and then you need to write the answer. So the unseen means this. There is an annexure, there is a schedule, there is some communication between some members of the organization, and then there are some requirements. This is called unseen. This unseen may be 1 more page extra, there may be 2 annexures, and then you will type your answers here. This is a PDF file, I cannot type, but the word features are only this much. उसमें से हमें कुछ नहीं चाहिए. Just we can type, that's all. इतना time है नहीं, bold, italics and all that, no time. Just चुपचाप से we need to write the answers. Again, when this 60 minutes over, you are given the second one. Again in the second one, some board members are saying something, the task, then the annexure, again the answer. So whatever the scenario relating to the question, you will be getting in the exam only. It's not a comprehension type in Bacha class and all that. Based on the comprehension, questions are there. Pre-scene is not giving you knowledge of any question what will come in the exam. And nobody can make question which will come in exam. Everybody can say these types of question, this type of scenario will be coming. But nobody can tell you exactly what question will come in exam. Maybe you will study for 1 year, for 1 pre-scene only. Then also there are millions of questions possible, because business problems are not 1 or 2. Business problems and business situations, business opportunities are millions. So there is no limit for the questions which can come in the exam. That is called unseen. So in ACC also, from September exam, it will be like this. The pre-scene will be given, released before the exam. How many days, that I don't know. And then questions will be asked in the exam. And then this is the institute answer, model arts. You just see how they are writing the answers. What? No one-liner, no heading, just small paragraphs. They are using small paragraphs to write the answers. And every answer is written in every term like this. That means a student also need to write answers in small paragraphs. You can put subheading for the paragraph, that's not a problem. But you need to write the answers in simple sentences, simple English, in paragraph structure. The length of the answer should be around 65-75 lines. 65-75 lines for, what I should say, for each total money. In the first part, 60 minutes, there are A and B. So A and B combined will be 65 to 70 lines answer. I'm not saying 65 each, because in 60 minutes we can write that only. Somebody will say that I am very perfect in typing. They are not asking that you become typist. If you can type without looking at the keyboard, that's strength, but not required. You can type by looking at the keyboard, typing with the keyboard, no issue. It's just that every day we need to study like that only. Every day we need to study like that only, on screen reading, on screen typing, everything. No printout, nothing. If the student will study with printout, underlining, pen and paper, they can't pass the exam. Simple language, straight away. To pass the exam, you need to study on the screen only. Okay? Then anybody has any specific doubt? So should I move? Let's move. Thank you, sir.